What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2006 F250 here, and I'm using this truck to show you a few important fuses for the blower motor. I'm also going to show you the blower motor relay and give you some troubleshooting advice. So let's start by pulling this piece down. Let it drop out of the way. And then we've got to get behind this fuse box cover here, which we can do by hooking in on this piece and pulling it to us. So with this piece coming to us, we can check a few important fuses. The main one down here is fuse 24. That's this 15 amp fuse here. This provides power to the blower motor relay. We're also interested in number 27. If you've got a diesel, this fuse is important for powering your vacuum pump. And while we're here, we can go ahead and grab this relay. Now, heading under the hood, I'll show you the blower motor relay and the blower motor fuse. So to open this up, we push on the tab here and here while we lift up. The fuse that provides power to your blower motor is going to be this 40 amp J-case fuse. To remove it, you just grab it, wiggle it from side to side while you pull up. Now, the relay for the blower motor is this relay right here. And my favorite way to test a relay is to tap on it. So with the heat or the AC turned on, I can tap on the relay. I can also grab the relay and wiggle it a little bit. Sometimes relays get stuck, and tapping it or wiggling it can make it get unstuck for a while. Another thing we can do is we can remove the relay. And the other relay I grabbed, which is for the trailer lights, we can put that in its place. And if after swapping the relay, the blower motor kicks on, then I know that the relay was the original issue. Let's pull this back out and I'll go over some wiring. So we can see here, got these color coded. The 40 amp J-case fuse here provides power to this pin here. Fuse 24, the first fuse we checked inside the car, provides power at this pin. A ground should come in at this pin to help activate the relay. And when the relay is activated, it connects these two pins together. So this pin has power. When it's connected to this pin, that power is sent to the blower motor. So let's go take a look at the blower motor wiring. So here we see the blower motor. And one great way to troubleshoot this is I can grab the connector and wiggle it. Sometimes there will be a bad connection there. You can also take like a wrench and tap on the back of the blower motor. Sometimes the brushes inside the blower motor will get bad connection. Another great thing we can do is just disconnect the blower motor entirely, and we can check to see if we're measuring voltage across these two pins. If we measure voltage here, then we know that the blower motor is bad. If we see voltage here and it's not powering on. Another great thing you can do, everything we've looked at so far is for providing power to the blower motor. Well, the speed of the blower motor, the different speeds come from the ground side. So if we look at the two wires here, one is black orange and the other one, or brown orange, and the other one is orange black. The brown orange wire is the one that receives power, and the orange black wire is the one that receives ground. If you do get power to this connector but you don't get ground, you may have an issue with the blower motor resistor, which is right here, or you could have an issue with the HVAC controller, which is inside the car. So yeah, I hope this information is helpful for you. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice for troubleshooting the blower motor on your F250.